Kingfish, in the heart of New Orleans, named after its legendary governor and U.S. Senator, Huey P. Long. He thought big, bold, and cherished the common man. His nickname was Kingfish, and his motto was, "Every man a king."
I'm Chef Nathan Richard of Kingfish restaurant here in New Orleans, Louisiana. I grew up in South Louisiana, Southwest Louisiana, a small town in Thibodeau, Louisiana. My influence is heavy to do with Cajun cooking, but at the same time, I like to blend the cooking with different techniques. One of them is Italian, where I lived in Italy for a few months cooking in Italy. Another one is, of course, southern roots of Cajun, where I lived in Charleston, South Carolina, and worked with some of the best chefs there. And then you look at the huge Vietnamese population down here. So they influence a lot of the cooking as well. So a lot of our cooking might have a little bit hints of Vietnamese cooking with Spanish influence too. You can see that in some of our dishes as well. You know, the taco, or tonight's au for the hour is the fish head barbacoa that we smoke and serve with all the whole head on the plate. You get to build your own tacos. You know, you get to play with the food. So right here we have alligator ham. Next to that is actually a gourmet tasso.
Did you grow up eating alligator?
Oh yeah, definitely. Here is a wild boar hogshead cheese. Here is venison pepperoni. And what's very unique about this is that I actually made this board out of cypress. We have a little bit of pork skins.
You made the board itself?
Yep. No matter when you come at Kingfish, whether it's day, night, Christmas, Mardi Gras, there's always something unique and crazy going on at Kingfish. You know, I'm a chef who's very adventurous, who loves to push the envelope. So one day you might enjoy one dish, and next day it's totally different. And again, that's how we pay homage to Kingfish, because you never know what he was up to, and he dreamed big and he executed big, and that's what we try to do here at Kingfish.